Good day, ma'am. I am Warren Caligoyan. I am the next reporter of Chapter 4, Probation. There are 28 states had such laws for adults and 46 had juvenile court in laws in 1921. All but one of the 48 US states at the time had an adult probation law, the exception being the Mississippi, and all 48 had juvenile courts law in 1954. The Federal Probation Act was signed by President Calvin Coolidge in March 4, 1925. A proclamation for amnesty and pardons was signed by President Woodrow Wilson in June 11, 1917. Senator Royal East Copeland of New York introduced a probation bill which reached the final stages of legislation in December 12, 1923. The probation bill was placed on the unanimous consent calendar of three. Objections were tabled, however, was reported without amendment on May 19, 1924. The following of debate at the lower house, the probation bill passed by a vote of 170 against 49 in March 2, 1925. The probation bill was signed by the House Speaker and the Senate President pro tempore. It was then transmitted to the President of the United States in March 3, 1925. The President Calvin Coolidge signed the probation bill and took effect as a law on that day. He called it a great achievement, won under difficulties that the public, even our probation public, will never realize. In March 4, 1925. Mm. The story of probation law in the Philippines. The important names to remember is Congressman Teodoro Natividad drafted the presidential decree on probation in the Philippines, first probation administrator, father of father of probation in the Philippines. The advisor on crime prevention and criminal justice is Dr. Thorstein Erickson, former United Nations Inter-Regional. The Director for Research Program Planning and Evaluation, Department of Correction of Arizona is Dr. A. Lamont Smith. Dr. Thorstein Erickson and Dr. A. Lamont Smith, the foreign expert who participated in the presentation of the draft decree at a seminar on the probation system sponsored by the National Police Commission and the UP Law Center on April 24, 1976, attended by 369 participants. Co-authored House Bill 393 with Congressman Natividad or an act establishing provision in the Philippines, Congressman Ramon Bagatsing. The President of the Philippines who approved and signed Presidential Decree 6968 as amended on July 24, 1976 is Ferdinand A. Marcos. These are the important dates to remember in the Philippine probation system. The Philippine legislature enacted the Probation Act number 4221 creating a probation office under the Department of Justice led by a chief probation and parole officer appointed by the American Governor General with advice and consent of the United States. First probation law was enacted but was short-lived because the Supreme Court declared it unconstitutional in August 7, 1935. Congressman Teodoro Natividad introduced House Bill 393, an act establishing probation law in the Philippines in 1966. Turning point of our probation law when the Interdisciplinary Committee on Crime Prevention or IDCCP was organized and headed by Congressman Natividad in 1974. The Fifth United Nations Congress on the Prevention of Crime and the Treatment of Offenders was held in Geneva, Switzerland, wherein Hon. Teodoro S. Natividad was elected as its vice president. He was the first Filipino to hold this distinction in 1975. Draft the decree which was made ready for presentation as a seminar on the probation system sponsored by the NAPOLCOM and the UP Law Center in April 24, 1976. In the Presidential Decree 968 was signed by President Marcos in April 4, 1976. Presidential Decree 968 took effect on January 3, 1978. That's all. Thank you.